things really start to change for you when you go out to Mongolia and you meet the people involved in cashmere production. There was a moment when we were sitting around with a bunch of herders in Henty region, and we were talking to them about how cashmere is produced. And one of them asked a question about how so much cashmere is lost during the production process. And we realized that actually they'd never seen cleaned cashmere. They didn't understand the process that takes away the guarantee, takes away the rest of the stuff. There has been no real communication between manufacturers and brands and herders before. And just by getting engaged through the SFA, just by going out and meeting people straight away, you're improving the understanding, you're helping people to work towards this common goal. And that's a big eye-opener. And suddenly you realize actually, just because of the job you do, being out there in Mongolia and working with the people, either directly or through the SFA, does make a huge difference on the ground. The SFA is also a unique collaboration between the market, the brands and the manufacturers and the retailers who use cashmere and benefit from cashmere, and the communities on the ground. So it's great that all these people who are involved in the supply chain are engaged in it, are contributing to it, because we all share exactly the same needs and exactly the same objectives here. And it's unique in that, because what it means is that when we're working together in this way, we can really make things happen all the way through the supply chain and connect consumers by that right the way through to the original production. It's always been the very long-term objective that eventually we'd be able to produce cashmere in sustainable means and trace that through the supply chain to a finished product. It's a very difficult challenge for the industry. There's a lot of consolidation of fibre, so the fibre might come from thousands and thousands of different goats to make up one particular garment. It might even come from several different countries. So this makes it very difficult to initiate this part of it. And the first thing we did was really to get the standard established and to start to build scale. So as we're building scale, this becomes a lot more achievable. And at the end of the day, what we want and what we'd all like to see is that consumer can go into a shop and say, I would like this product to be sustainable.